If you don't have a Facebook account, you're kind of a rare species considering about 3 billion people in the world have Facebook accounts. This video is for you though. I'm going to show you how to create a new Facebook account on desktop and then also on a mobile computer here. So first on desktop, you go to facebook.com. You'll see that there's a button down here that says create new account. You're going to put in your first, last name. Couple of tips here: if you don't want your employer looking for you on Facebook, maybe you're going to be posting some things that are a little edgy, you could make up a fake name. However, in Facebook's policy, they said putting in a fake name is not allowed. It's against their policy, and they might ask you for an ID check, scan in like a driver's license or something. So, your own discretion there, just a warning. So you put in your name, mobile number, create a password, etc. And then you're going to click sign up. And after you click sign up, you're going to get a notification on your mobile phone with a code. And then you put that code in and there you go, you can create your new account. So if you're already using a certain email and a certain mobile phone for your account, you're not going to be able to create a new account with that email. If you want to have multiple Facebook accounts, you'll have to create or use a different email inbox. And again, that's against Facebook's policies to have multiple personal Facebook accounts. You can have one for business or multiple businesses and personal, etc. But you're not supposed to have multiple accounts for personal with the same email, etc. So they try to block that. So now I'm going to show you how to do this on mobile, which is also really easy. First thing you do is you're going to download the Facebook app. So I'm on an Android here in the Google Play Store. You can also get it on iOS, obviously. And then you go to Facebook. I've got the app installed. I click open. And then down at the bottom it says create new account. So I'm going to create an account, and there's an option that says I already have an account or get started with a new one. I'll click get started. I'm going to put in my first and last name, birth date. It's going to ask you some other questions, and then it's going to ask you if you want a code. So you have the option of either getting a code from mobile or a mobile phone or email, whichever one you prefer. And then you're going to put that code in there, and you have to use a unique email address or mobile phone. So if you already have an account using those, it's not going to allow you to do that. It's going to say, oh, looks like you have an account. What's your password? If you forgot your password, it'll ask you to just type in a password, etc. So once it sends you that code, where you can find that is you can just go to your text messages there, SMS. You'll find one. If you go into SMS, you'll find one from Facebook. It'll have that code in there. Or on email, you can go in there, it'll be from Facebook. If you don't see it right away, check your spam folder, because it might not be something coming into your inbox regularly, might not be recognized. But there's all sorts of policies on Facebook against creating multiple accounts. You can do it, if you're not posting anything nefarious and your name you're typing in sounds like a real name. I tried typing in a fake name like Nutkit from Knight Rider in there, that car that talks, and it flagged it. It said you have to use a real name. So maybe a lot of people have already tried that. If you want to get on Facebook, there's a lot of people out there, 3 billion of the world, about 75% of social media audience is using Facebook. A lot of people to connect with. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you liked it, give it a like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.